Hey guys, welcome to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by. So today I'm here with this Ganesh Chaturthi makeup tutorial. It's a very elegant and simple makeup look and I have created this look using all cruelty-free products. I got a comment in my last video from Shweta Ramanujam to create a look using all cruelty-free products, and I decided to come up with this look. And thank you so much, Shweta, for your comment. It is such a nice concept. I think it's 2020 and all brands should go cruelty-free. Talking about today's look, it's a beautiful peachy golden kind of a eye look. It's very easy to recreate and it is perfect for any party, perfect for any outfit. So yeah, before starting, if you are new here, then please take a moment to subscribe to my channel, and if you are already a subscriber, then I thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. As always, I'm starting with my brows first. For that, I'm taking this Anastasia Deep Brow Pomade in the shade Ebony, and I'm just drawing the borders of my brows first. Then I'll be filling them up using small hair-like strokes. I recently shared with you my updated eyebrow routine. If you are interested, I will link it down in the description bar below. So please go ahead and check that out. To be very honest, brows take a way longer than what you see in my videos, so that video is going to be really helpful, so please go ahead and check that out. Now with the spoolie, I'm just combing my brows so that the product is well saturated. Now I'm taking this L16R Camo concealer in the shade medium beige, and I'm just cleaning up the borders of my brows so that my brows look well shaped and defined. Now if you are in a hurry and you do not have time to do this step, you can totally skip it, but if you want that full glam look, I suggest you to do this step. It makes a huge difference on the way my brows look. Now I'm priming my eyelids using the same concealer, and I'm just blending it out using a damp beauty sponge. This sponge is from Wet n Wild. To set the concealer, I'm using this Coty Airspun translucent extra coverage loose powder, and I'm just setting the concealer so that it does not crease. For my eyes, first I'm taking Pass It On from my Colourpop whatever eyeshadow palette, and with this Morphe M441 brush, I am just applying it as my transition color, and I'm just slowly building it up to avoid any kind of patchiness. I'm taking the shade called Maybe Later. It's a beautiful reddish orange color, and with this Morphe JS15 brush, I am applying it on my outer V area as well as on my inner corner to create that halo effect. I'm taking the shade called Teaching You. It's a beautiful shimmery salmon color, and with my finger first I'm applying it on the center of my eyelid, and then I switched to a brush to apply the color precisely. Now taking the same shade called Maybe Later, I'm just blending out the edges so that there is no harsh line. Now with my Milani Make It Last eyeliner, I'm just drawing a wing here. It is such a beautiful eyeliner, you guys. If you are looking for a good drugstore eyeliner, you can totally give it a shot. Before continuing with my eye makeup further, I'm going to finish my base and then I will return to my eye makeup again. For that, first I'm taking this NYX Angel Veil primer and I'm just priming my face and neck. I already moisturized my face about half an hour ago. If you are doing your makeup and if you want your makeup to last longer, then do not skip a primer. Talking about this primer, it is such a great one. It fills in all your pores and it makes your makeup long lasting. For color correcting, I'm using my L.A.Girl orange color corrector and I'm applying it wherever I have pigmentations, dark spots, acne spots and dark circles. If you do not have such issues, you can totally skip it. But if you do, then I highly recommend you using a color corrector. It will just help to neutralize all those darkness underneath, and your foundation, your concealer will not look gray in color. And make sure to blend it properly, otherwise it will be really hard to cover with your foundation. For my foundation, I am going with this Milani foundation in the shade 06 and I am just buffing it in using the same damp beauty sponge. What a foundation it is! It is full coverage, it is long lasting, and if you are looking for a great foundation for this festive season, then definitely give it a shot. You will not be disappointed. For highlighting and concealing, I'm using the same concealer and I'm applying it underneath my eyes, on my chin, on my cupid bow, on the sides of my mouth, down the bridge of my nose, on the center of my forehead, and I'm just blending it out again using the same damp beauty sponge. You can see I have applied a very little amount of this concealer because it is heavily pigmented and you do not even need much. If you apply too much of it, then it may become cakey and you do not want that. And it is such a beautiful concealer. It looks amazing underneath my eyes and it is full coverage. It is very long lasting at the same time. To set my under eyes as well as my smile lines, I'm using this Coty Airspun loose powder, and with the same beauty sponge, I'm just pushing the product in. This way my concealer will not crease. Now I'm taking this Flower Beauty Universal Miracle Matte Finishing Powder in this shade Translucent, and I'm just setting my entire makeup. Now I'm going to finish my eye makeup. For that, first I'm taking the shade called Toddy, and I don't know, for some reason I wanted a little bit of champagne golden effect on my eyes, and that's why I decided to use it on the center part of my eyelid, and I must say it made a huge difference. At least according to me, it was looking like beautiful. I'm just tightlining my eyes using my Jordana Easy eyeliner pencil in the shade Jet Black. You can use any kajal pencil or eyeliner that you have. Now I'm taking the shade called Maybe Later and I'm just smudging out my entire lower lash line with an angled brush from Pune store. And I'm keeping it very simple. It's just this shade and it is all done. Now I'm taking the shade called Toddy and I'm just highlighting my brow bones as well as my inner corners using this eyeliner brush that came with my Maybelline gel eyeliner. I'm just curling my natural lashes with this Vega eyelash curler and I'm applying a Coty mascara. This is my Essence Lash Princess mascara. You can totally skip falsies if you want to, but I am a falsie person, so I'll be using falsies off camera, and for that I'm going to use the Ardell lashes in this style 113, and here is the final eye look. To be very honest, I was so happy after creating this look because according to me, this is a perfect look for all your traditional outfits, and it is again really easy to recreate, and it took me hardly 5 minutes to get this look. Now I'm going to finish the rest of my makeup. For that, first I'm taking this Milani bronzer in the shade Suntan and I'm just contouring the perimeters of my face using this angled brush from Wet n Wild, and you know the drill, right? The hollows of my cheeks, my forehead, jawline as well as my nose. And it is such a stunning bronzer, you guys. It is matte and it melts right onto my skin. It does not become cakey or patchy and it is not powdery at all, and the shade is literally perfection. It just creates that natural looking shadow on my face. Now I'm taking this Physicians Formula butter bronzer and I'm just bronzing up my face even more to bring back that warmth to my face. For my blush, I am taking this Wet n Wild blush in the shade Mellow Wine and I'm just applying it on my cheeks, on my chin as well as on my nose, and the brush that I'm using is from Flower Beauty. I'm taking this Precious Petals highlighter again from Wet n Wild and I'm just hitting the high points of my face using this setting brush from Real Techniques, and you know that drill, right? Like my cheekbones, chin, cupid bow, down the bridge of my nose as well as the center of my forehead. Now I'm just setting my entire makeup using my NYX Dewy Finish setting spray. For my lips, first I'm using this beautiful peachy pinky nude shade called Matte Tender from Milani. This is such a stunning shade, you guys. Look at the color. And then I'm using this Wet n Wild lip stain lip gloss in the shade Reflective Kisses. Again, such a stunning shade. And that is pretty much it. And here is the final look. According to me, this is such a universal look. You can wear this look to any party, to any occasion, with any outfit. And after creating this look, I was so happy. Those eyes, the lips, everything was looking so perfect, again according to me. So please let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. It will mean a lot to me. And if you enjoyed watching this video, then please hit the like button, and please do subscribe to my channel, and please share this video with your friends and family. And if you are not following me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter, please do follow me there. All the links will be given in the description bar down below, so please go ahead and check that out. So yes, see you soon in my next one. Till then, bye and take care.